Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about how to protect an Excel worksheet. Typed up instructions here, pretty simple. You can pause the video and get those instructions right now, or you can watch and I'll walk through it with you. So, a couple benefits why we do this. The first is we don't want people to copy our work. We want to protect it. The second is it can make it more useful for people who are using these after you've created it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to come down here to format cells. Now what you'll see initially is it'll be locked but not hidden. So we're going to hide, we're going to check on that hide. What this does is locked. It says that the cells are going to be locked and protected when we protect the worksheet. And the hidden says that we're going to hide the formulas in the worksheet. So we want to do both of those. So that does that. The second thing we want to do is we want to select any of the cells that we want to be able to edit when it's protected. So it's going to be the yellow ones in this situation. Home, format cells. We're going to unlock those cells. That's step 2. Step 3, now we want to protect the worksheet. We'll come up here to format and protect the worksheet. The ones we want to focus on here are these checkboxes in this list box here. So specifically the select lock cells. We're going to uncheck this. This will prevent people from copying the cells that we have locked. And when you also do this, these will be unchecked. I've gone ahead and checked these. Anything checked below the select unlocked cells, it'll only apply to the unlocked cells. So I'm not sure if they're have any benefit or not, but I just went ahead and checked those. So I'm going to click OK, and what you'll see is that I'm not able to click on any of the ones that are locked. I'm not able to copy them. Come up here, I have to right click and hit copy. It's only going to copy the unprotected ones. There's no copying of the protected ones. What this does is also too is like I'm not going to be able to go anywhere in the worksheet. So if I was to hit the up and down arrows, just hit the tab button, the only things that are going to be selectable are these little boxes here. So that can be useful if you're quickly wanting to tell someone you only need to change these 4 boxes, you don't need to change anything else. If, let's say, I didn't want to do that, I wanted to have it to where I could choose the lock cells here. I'm going to check that, and now you can see I'm still able to go through all these locked cells, and that's going to make it copyable for someone up here. Come up here and copy it. Paste it. Now, however, that's not the worst case scenario, because in a situation like this, with an Excel sheet like this, the meat and potatoes of these things is just the formulas in here. And when you copy it over, it's not, because you hid the formulas, it's not going to copy that formula over. So even though they're going to get the formatting of this sheet, it's not going to be functional for them. I'm going to change these, nothing's going to change. So it's not the worst thing in the world, but that is something to be aware of. So that's why we check the hidden box. That's pretty much it. I hope that helps.